The history and cultural significance of Chinese chicken lettuce wraps. The history. Chinese chicken lettuce wraps are rooted in traditional Chinese cuisine, with influences from Cantonese, Sichuan, and northern Chinese dishes. The idea of using lettuce as a wrap for minced meat has existed for centuries in Chinese cooking, especially in banquet-style and dim sum dishes. Early Chinese influence, san choy bao. In Cantonese cuisine, san choy bao, literally lettuce wrap in Chinese, is a dish featuring minced pork or chicken stir-fried with hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and aromatics, served in crisp lettuce cups. This dish is popular in Hong Kong, Guangzhou, and other Cantonese-speaking regions, often appearing on dim sum and banquet menus. Adaptation in Western cuisine. In the late 20th century, Chinese chicken lettuce wraps gained popularity in American Chinese restaurants, with chains like P.F. Chang's popularizing the dish. The dish was modified to fit Western palates, incorporating sweeter hoisin-based sauces, water chestnuts, and ground chicken or turkey instead of pork. Modern variations and fusion cuisine. With the rise of low-carb, paleo, and keto diets, lettuce wraps became an alternative to rice or bread-based dishes. The dish has since expanded globally, with variations in Thai, Vietnamese, and Korean cuisines using different meats and sauces. Cultural significance. Traditional Chinese banquet and dim sum culture. Lettuce wraps are often served in family-style banquets as a starter or side dish, emphasizing freshness and balance in Chinese cuisine. Lettuce, xing tsai, sounds similar to growing wealth in Cantonese, making it symbolic of prosperity during celebrations. American Chinese restaurant scene. P.F. Chang's and other Chinese-American restaurants introduced a milder, sweeter version of lettuce wraps to Western audiences. This adaptation has made lettuce wraps a staple in Asian fusion cuisine across the U.S. and beyond. Global health and fitness trends. The rise of low-carb, high-protein diets like keto and paleo made lettuce wraps a trendy alternative to tacos, sandwiches, and dumplings. They became popular in meal prep and fitness communities as a light yet flavorful dish. Economic aspects. Growth in Asian cuisine market. The Asian food market in the U.S. and globally has seen steady growth, with the Chinese fast casual dining market exceeding $20 billion annually. Major chains like P.F. Chang's, Pei Wei, and Panda Express continue to introduce low-carb Asian dishes, including lettuce wraps. Rise of healthy and low-carb eating. The gluten-free and keto food markets are projected to grow to $14+ billion by 2027, making lettuce wraps a profitable item in restaurant menus and packaged meal kits. Demand for organic lettuce, lean meats, and Asian condiments has increased, boosting revenue for food suppliers. Cost and profitability. Lettuce wraps are a low-cost but high-margin item for restaurants. Chicken or pork, affordable protein plus lettuce, low-cost bulk ingredient, equals high-profit dish. Many restaurants sell lettuce wraps for $8 to $15 per plate, even though the cost to make them is only $2 to $4 per serving. Conclusion. Chinese chicken lettuce wraps blend traditional Cantonese flavors with modern health trends, making them a cultural staple and economic success. Whether served in banquet-style dining, American Chinese restaurants, or fitness meal plans, their versatility, flavor, and nutritional benefits keep them in high demand. Recipe. A savory, crunchy, and healthy dish inspired by traditional Cantonese cuisine and modern Asian fusion flavors. Perfect as an appetizer, light meal, or meal prep option. Ingredients. For the chicken filling, 1 pound ground chicken, or you can always use turkey or pork. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil or sesame oil. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1-inch piece ginger, grated. Half a cup yellow onion, finely diced. Half a cup water chestnuts, diced, adds crunch. 1/4 cup carrots, shredded, optional for extra texture. 1/4 cup green onions, chopped. For the sauce: 3 tablespoons hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, or tamari for gluten-free, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, optional, for extra umami, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, for a tangy balance, 1 teaspoon honey or brown sugar, for mild sweetness, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes or sriracha, optional for heat. For the lettuce wraps: 1 head butter lettuce or iceberg lettuce, for crisp wraps, 1/2 cup crushed peanuts or cashews for garnish, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, optional, extra green onions and cilantro for garnish. Instructions: cook the chicken filling. Heat oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add garlic, ginger, and diced onions. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Add ground chicken and cook until browned, breaking it apart with a spoon, about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in water chestnuts, shredded carrots, and green onions. Make the sauce and combine. In a bowl, whisk together hoisin sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, honey, and red pepper flakes. Pour the sauce over the chicken mixture, stirring well to coat. Let simmer for 2 minutes until thickened. Assemble the lettuce wraps. Wash and separate lettuce leaves. Pat dry. Spoon chicken filling into each lettuce leaf. Garnish with crushed peanuts, sesame seeds, and green onions. Serve and enjoy. Serve with extra hoisin sauce or sriracha on the side. Pair with a side of jasmine rice or steamed veggies for a heartier meal. Healthier and dietary variations: low-carb/keto. Use coconut aminos instead of soy sauce. Remove the honey and add extra sesame oil. Gluten-free. Swap soy sauce for tamari and ensure the hoisin sauce is gluten-free. Vegan option: replace chicken with crumbled tofu, mushrooms, or jackfruit. Serving ideas: pair with spring rolls, miso soup, or cucumber salad. Serve with a side of jasmine rice or cauliflower rice for extra sustenance. Drizzle with a little sweet chili sauce or extra soy sauce for added flavor. Do you love learning about the history of food? Want to see more delicious deep dives into culinary culture? Then don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Void and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. If you want to help support the channel and keep these mouth-watering videos coming, consider joining my Patreon. You'll get exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and even more tasty history. Click the link in the description to become a patron today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.